Welcome back, everybody. My name is Dalen. You might also know me as Crypto Hodlson, and you are tuning into the StrikeX Lounge. Now, today's video is a little bit different. It's a little bit shorter, but it definitely is a fun one. So you notice in the back here, things have changed a little bit. You'll notice that's not popping as much as it usually does. It's missing some lights there. Especially this back corner, that one right there is really just kind of sticking out like a sore thumb. Now, I have the perfect solution that is going to make that back wall pop and make it super interesting for all videos going forward on this channel. So without further ado, let's get into making this wall a little more exciting. And there it is, folks, the StrikeX Lounge neon sign. As you can tell, it looks phenomenal on that wall. It looks really, really good. It's exactly what it needed. It needed something to take up that dead space there. So a fine addition to the StrikeX Lounge and going forward in all videos. So guys, right now is a really exciting time. Things are gearing up, things are getting exciting, things are getting interesting. We're on the verge of multiple product launches. Just so much is happening for StrikeX as a company for the growth of it all. So just be keeping your eyes out because yeah, things are going to get fun really quickly. So be watching the Discord, watching the Telegram, watching all the social platforms, and watching this channel, the StrikeX Lounge, because we're going to have you covered for all the updates going forward. And guys, we'll see you in the next video.